Hello everyone, MV Agusta is expanding the Superveloce range in 2023 with the new Superveloce 1000 Serie Oro, which is built on the Brutale 1000RR platform and develops 208 horsepower, which increases to 212 with the race kit installed. It included the existing frame, single-sided swing arm and four-cylinder engine as its base, taking inspiration from the MV 500 model, which debuted the first aerodynamic wings on motorcycles and Grand Prix racing in 1972. Differentiating the new Superveloce from the existing 800 are the wings, which generate 39.2 kilograms of downforce at 320 kilometers per hour, traveling primarily vertically from the bike, and a Move MV says is both about function and style. The carbon fiber front brake cover directs air to the caliper and helps air circulate to the radiator. It was equipped with vents in the front fairing that helped increase front wheel downward pressure, as well as a vacuum behind the oil radiator for better dispersion of hot air, improving cooling and engine efficiency. All of the bodywork is also carbon fiber, saving weight and mostly hidden under the stunning paintwork, but is showcased in a forged carbon fiber inner fairing, joined by a carbon fiber engine casing and exhaust guard. That's a total of 40 carbon fiber components. The inline 4 is a 16-valve 4-stroke DOHC with a drive shaft that operates at twice the speed of the main drive shaft, reducing vibration by up to 54% at 14,000 RPM. Alongside the 208 horsepower figure that peaks at 13,000 RPM is 116.5 Newton-meters of torque at 11,000 RPM. Bore and stroke of 79 mm x 50.9 mm run at 13.4:1 compression, while the MVX 2.1 system handles 4 upper Magneti Marelli and 4 lower Mikuni injectors, Elder Nemo 2.1 ECU, and 50 mm throttle bodies at full RBW. The electronics package features 4 maps and an 8-level traction control system with IMU, while the MV EAS 3.0 quick shifter system is customized specifically for the Superveloce 1000, such as the 100 Malawian Quatches cornering ABS by Continental. High-spec loading continues past the bodywork and engine, featuring electronically controlled Olane's 43 mm NIX top-end forks, with full adjustment including manual spring preload, and Olane's ECTTX rear fork, with full electronic adjustment. A matching Olane steering damper is also fitted, also electronically adjustable, but with manual controls also available. Brembo provides a braking package, with monoblock Stylema radial calipers on 320 mm rotors, 220 mm rear rotors and 2-piston calipers, as well as an ABS system including rear wheel lift mitigation. Brembo provided a radial master cylinder in the crossbar and a PS13 pump for the rear system. What catches the eye are the forged aluminum wheels designed by CRC specifically for this bike, with a separate 5-spoke design. It comes with additional center spokes for each at the rear in red, and is rendered nicely by that single-sided swing arm. The exhaust is made of titanium by Aero and carries out a 4-exit undertail exhaust design, inspired by the F4, with carbon fiber guards used judiciously to protect the rider behind the foot controls and under the seat. Availability and price are currently unknown, so be on the lookout, as this will be another limited series, numbered and accompanied by a certificate of authenticity, with production sizes not stated.